Let's talk about something real for a sec. You. Yeah, you. This video isn't some motivational mumbo-jumbo about conquering the world. Although, hey, if that's your jam, go for it. It's about becoming your own hype squad, your personal cheerleader, the biggest fan of the amazing person you are. All right, let's kick things off with a bang. You, my friend, are one of a kind. Seriously, there's no one else out there like you. You've got your own set of victories and setbacks, and that's what makes your journey uniquely yours. Look, the fact that you're here watching this video tells us something about you. It tells us that you're curious, eager to learn, and always looking to improve. So let's start by acknowledging and celebrating your uniqueness. You're a rare gem in this vast world, and that's something to be proud of. Now, let's talk about your heart of gold. You've been there for your loved ones through thick and thin. Sure, there might be some folks who didn't quite get you, or maybe took you for granted. But guess what? It's their loss, not yours. You've given your best, and that's what matters. Remember, not everyone will understand your journey, and that's perfectly okay. Keep doing good, keep being there for the ones who appreciate you, and let go of those who don't. Your kindness is a strength, not a weakness. You know how you've been there for others? It's high time you show up for yourself. Embrace self-love like your favorite comfort food. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Celebrate your wins no matter how small. You deserve your own love and support. Next up, future planning. You're on it. Life's full of uncertainties, but you, my friend, are not one to be caught off guard. Whether it's saving up for a rainy day or having a roadmap for your dreams, you're on the ball. Planning for the future is like giving yourself a safety net, a cushion for whatever life throws your way. It's a smart move, and it shows that you're not just living for today, but paving the way for a brighter tomorrow. Last but not least, it's time to give back to the most important person, you. Take a moment to indulge in self-care. It could be a hobby you love, a quiet moment with a book, or just a peaceful walk in nature. Recharge your batteries because, hey, you deserve it. Success isn't just about achieving goals, it's about enjoying the journey and appreciating yourself along the way.